Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have an animal coin hunt, but it only involves 4 coins. I was going around on the eBay looking for coins with animals on, specific animals, coins with animals on them, and I came across this lot. It was 4 lots from Tanzania. Zanzibar. The first one we have here is a 500 shilling coin. It has the first president of Zanzibar, Sheikh Abid Amoa, around the outside. At the bottom it gives you the date of 2014. So if I just get my pointy stick, there's the date at the bottom. The reverse is the interesting part. It has on it a Cape buffalo. You also see that there's 500 there, and then there is like a half moon crescent cutout, and when you, I don't know if I can do this for you. There you go, it has 500 on this part here. It's almost like a hologram effect. It's 500 shilling, and it has also got the name of the animal, I believe, or possibly subscribed here that I'm not quite 100% sure what it is. But a very lovely coin. I do like this coin because it is so different. The animal's an unusual animal to see on a coin. I've seen a buffalo before, but not a Cape, not this particular type. I think it was a water buffalo. And also this crescent. I don't know why it has like a hologram 500 when it's got the 500 down here at the bottom. I couldn't find an explanation about why that was, which is why I thought it was an unusual coin. There was no mintage available on Numista or any other site. Next one is this one. This has a portrait of Jonas K. Naina, who was the first president. No, the first president, yes, no, it wasn't, sorry, it wasn't Joseph Kaina. I've got these mixed up, I do beg your pardon. This one is the 200, and this is also Sheikh Abid Amoa from the Zanzibar. On the bottom, does it have the date on that one? Yeah, the date on that one is at the bottom of the coin in very small print. Hope you can see that in the video. And then on the rear we have the value of 200 shilling. We have across the top the fact that it's shilling, and then some text in Tanzanian / Zanzibar, which I don't understand. And here we have a lion and a lioness in the grass. Look on the outlook for game and what have you. There's no mintage figures for this. I like this coin because I do like lions and big cats anyway, along with raptor birds and such like. So I do enjoy that coin. The next one, this is a 100 shilling, and here we have the Jonas K. Naira, who's the first president. I presume that's of Tanzania. it tells you the name of the person at the bottom underneath here. I'm looking for the date of the coin. On the reverse, we have the value, which is 100 shillings, and we have antelope in flight. It's not an unusual subject to see antelope in flight on African coins. I believe there was a South African coin, a couple of South African coins that had exactly the same idea on it. The final coin of the 4 is a 50 shilling. Now this looks very much like the 50p. A very small version, possibly a 20p would probably be a more accurate description. It's very similar to our 20p. This one has on it, again, Ali Hassan Mwinge. It has no mintage, as the rest of them have no mintage. On the rear, the animal is a rhino. You have the valuation of 50 shilling there, and you have a rhino. However, it's the rarer black rhino that this coin depicts. There you go, there's the 4 coins together. That ends this hunt, or this review, whichever you like to call it. 4 fascinating coins that I managed to pick up. They're in very good condition as well, which I'm very happy about. And they make up a unique set of coins. They're from different years. The 2 larger values are from 2014 and the 2 lower value ones are from 2015. That doesn't matter to me because they show beautiful animals off extremely well. The African countries have a fantastic way of showing their wildlife off on their coins. So, what do you think of this set? Would you like to own coins similar to them? I'm very happy that I've got them. So, from me now, all I need to say now is if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, can you please think about doing so? I'm still trying to grow my channel. I have reached my goal for this year of 100. I'd like to see how many more I can get before the end of the year. It will be an ongoing thing for me, trying to increase my subscription level. Thank you for watching. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into this future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.